This is at our house. Outside of the kitchen window. She was eating next to the kitchen window. And it woke us up. This is her and her little baby. That baby's about 3 weeks old. We've been watching them all day. They've been hanging out. She wouldn't come very close. And then we fell asleep. And she came and ran all the way up to the window. That baby's drinking a little bit of water in there. There's a hole right there. He's drinking the water. He must be thirsty. It's pretty funny to watch. As soon as she gets far enough away, he starts running after her.